think we should go hunting. Yeah. We haven't ate in like a day. I cannot survive that long. Let's go hunting. Okay. I don't see no food. Who's hunting? Yummy. There's a bunny right there. Let's go get it. Let's go for each side. Okay, you go on that side and I go on this side. Okay, I'll go from back here. Hey, look. Don't hear me, please. I'm just eating. This is a wolf's job. I mean, a dog or wolf's job. Get off of me! We should get more pack members. Okay. It's getting dark. I think it's dead. I wish we could climb walls. I'm like a leopard, but I like being a dog. Let's put this right here. Okay. Hi, what are you doing in our territory? No. We are looking for pack members. Do you have a pack? We need one. I'm making a pack. Rest of the pack, come. This is my mate. Yeah. Oh, can you join ours? Yeah, you can. I'm the leader, though. Okay. I brought food, so I don't know if it will fill all of us up, but it might fill us some of us up. And I'm having pups, so yeah, me too. I'm having some pups too. But I already have one, but he's old. Come on. Yes, mommy. Meat. Oh, hi. Who are you? Can I join your pack? Yeah, you can. Yeah, I want to join it. Okay. Some of y'all can go hunting. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go hunting. No, you don't have to if you don't want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go hunting, and the rest of you guys stay here. Okay. Oh yeah, as we are done hunting, you bring your food.